You're not lazy, you're not unmotivated, and you're definitely not broken. You're just lost. And I know how that feels. Waking up every day with that heavy fog in your chest. You want to change, you do. But you don't know where to start. This is for you. Days blur together. You wake up tired. You look at your phone before you even breathe. You scroll, you swipe, you scroll, not because you're lazy, but because it numbs the silence. It fills the space where your dreams used to live. You avoid your thoughts because deep down, you're afraid that this is it, that this is all life will ever be. But it's not. Remember when you were younger? You used to imagine, build things, dream out loud. You didn't care if it made sense, you just wanted to live big. But the world didn't let you. People told you to be realistic. So you stopped trying. You shrunk yourself just to fit in. But deep inside, that light is still there. It never left. You don't need to fix everything in on. No one claps for you when you choose water over soda. Or when you go to sleep instead of scrolling till 3 a.m. No one sees those wins. But they matter. Because that's the work that changes your life. You are not behind. You are not late. You are rebuilding. And that takes courage. This is your reminder that it's okay to begin again. You don't have to earn rest. You don't have to be perfect to start. You just have to be willing. Willing to take the next right step. And then the one after that. If you're still watching, this message was meant for you. You're not alone. We're building something here. A community, a family, a movement. So subscribe, leave a comment, and let's grow together. This is NVibes, and we're just getting started.